Hi Sparkles, welcome back. If you're just coming from the previous video, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And if you're joining us for the first time, hi, I'm Stephanie N and you're highly welcome. So today, I'm showing you my DIY scalp scrub for 4C hair growth and my flaxseed gel layering secrets. And this combo, it deeply cleanses, nourishes, and creates the perfect environment for length retention. So for this routine, I usually do this during a pre-poo before washing my hair. Since it's an exfoliating treatment, it's recommended to do it once a month to avoid irritating your scalp. And I'll be showing you exactly how I apply it, plus the science behind why this works so well for 4C hair growth. So to make the scalp scrub, we'll be using 2 tablespoons of grounded white sugar and 2 tablespoons of my DIY herbal oil. This herbal oil is a blend of rosemary, thyme, fenugreek, flaxseed, and soybean oil. Then we mix everything together until it forms this slightly grainy oil paste. And that's it. Our DIY scalp scrub is ready for use. Now let's get into the application. I always start with my DIY flaxseed gel first. If you're curious about how I made it, you can check out the next video at the end of this one. As you can see, I've already applied the gel on my hair strands for pre-poo. So, focusing on my scalp, I apply the gel section by section, making sure that my scalp is slightly moisturized and has that slip. Then I go in with the scalp scrub and I gently massage it into my scalp using circular motions, very gently. Not aggressive, not scratching, just soft controlled movements. Because the goal here is to exfoliate, not to bruise your scalp. And I repeat this process across my scalp. Now let's talk about why this routine actually works. Starting with the scrub. Scalp scrub offers significant benefits by exfoliating to remove product buildup, excess oil, and dead skin cells, which promotes a healthier scalp, reduces dandruff, and alleviates itchiness. By cleansing the hair follicles and stimulating blood circulation through massage, they encourage healthier hair growth, increase hair volume, and enhance shine. I use white sugar as the base because the granules are the perfect size to break down old coils and flakes without being too harsh or scratching the skin. It dissolves easily as you rinse, so you aren't left with a sandy mess in your coils. This exfoliation unclogs your follicles and boosts blood flow, which is the secret sauce for healthy hair growth. Now here is my golden secret. I layer the flaxseed gel under my oil and sugar scrub. Most people just mix the oil and sugar, but layering the gel first changes everything. Flaxseed gel is a water-based humectant, so it provides a hydration cushion. By putting it down first, I'm locking moisture directly onto my scalp before the scrub even touches it. It creates this slippery, protective barrier that prevents the sugar from being too abrasive on my 4C hair root. Then the oil in the scrub helps to seal the hydration in and add lubrication, making the scrub move smoothly across the scalp. It's the ultimate combo. The sugar clears the junk, the flaxseed gel hydrates, and the oil nourishes. Now, I have to point this out. If you have a sensitive scalp, please use brown sugar and your hair oil as your scalp scrub, and also skip the flaxseed layering because brown sugar granules are softer and provide hydration on their own. However, it doesn't give that deeper exfoliation of white sugar for heavy buildup. Brown sugar is more of hydration scrub, which is great too. Now, if you have dandruff and want to manage it naturally, try this. It helps reduce flakes, grease, and itch when used consistently. Take note, before trying any scalp scrub, make sure you do a patch test first by applying a small amount of scrub to the skin behind your ear or the nape of your neck and leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse it off and wait for 24 to 48 hours. If there's no irritation, then you're good to go. But if your skin reacts, please don't use it on your scalp. I definitely recommend using brown sugar instead because it's much gentler. You should also do a patch test for the brown sugar to check if your scalp is sensitive to it or not as well. So after applying everything, I put on a shower cap, a silk bonnet, and let the scrub sit on my scalp for about 5 minutes, just enough for proper exfoliation and scalp stimulation. But because this is part of my pre-poo routine, I leave everything in for about 10 to 15 minutes maximum before washing it out. That way, my scalp gets the full benefit without any irritation. And that's it. If you want to see how I actually pre-poo my hair and the best detangling method using flaxseed gel, make sure you check out the next video at the end of this one. And also stay tuned because my full wash day routine is coming out next, where I'll be showing you the exact process to follow after using this scalp scrub combo. If you found these hair care tips helpful, please like the video, comment down below if you'll be trying this routine soon. I'd love to know. And also please click that subscribe button as it encourages me to create more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.